Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sayyida Azra from amfahhtech YouTube channel where you find all about technology. In today's video, we are going to talk about YouTube monetization. I'm gonna share 7 best tips which I have learned, and these tips help me a lot to get monetized sooner. This is gonna be complete guide on YouTube monetization. That means how to monetize and get paid from YouTube. Let's move on to video. First of all, create a channel and start making videos and posting them. If you want to know how to create a YouTube channel fast, I will leave a link down below to that video, which I have already created on this topic. And also you need to live in a country or region where YouTube partner program is available. You can find the link in the description. Tip number 2. Create content in single category. Focus on one category. If your channel is about gaming, then create videos on gaming and different types of games. Don't test yourself on different topics. You shouldn't teach traveling in one video and cooking in the other. And the same way, you're teaching makeup in one video and reviewing the phone in the other. Don't do this. Just focus on one category and one topic. Tip number 3. Make sure that you abide by the YouTube policies when you are posting your videos, to stay clear of the content that you are going to post. Simply keep clean and professional. Here you see the monetization policy. Then you need to study these complete policy guidelines, monetization guidelines. If you need more info about YouTube monetization policy and guidelines, about copyright guidelines and AdSense guidelines, I'll also leave a link of this page in the description down below. Tip number 4. Keep posting regularly until you reach 1000 subs and 4000 public watchers within the last 12 months. Public watcher means that your private and unlisted videos don't count. Your video need to be public to qualify for the watchers. Once you reach the threshold of the 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watchers, then you can monetize, and then you can qualify for the monetization. Here you will also find two more important requirements, which is two-factor authentication or two-step verification and community guideline strikes. You must need to set up two-step verification on the channel. How to set up this? You must watch my this video. Here I have already explained how to do two-step verification, and you must have zero community guideline strikes. YouTube has lot of rules and policies that you must follow if you want to monetize your videos and channel. So must read these carefully. I will link those policies in the description. Tip number 5. Don't use copyright music, copyright video, and reuse content. Reuse content is basically is to use someone else's content without adding significant value. Although 30 seconds are allowed, but don't use other people's content. If you are having a reuse content in your channel and you apply for monetization, then your application will be denied. And if you're already a part of YouTube partner program, then this may lead to suspension. So avoid having a reuse content on your channel. Only you can use the copyright free music which you can use from the YouTube library. Make sure you don't have any community strikes or copyright strikes or claims in your YouTube channel. Tip number 6. Remember, computer generated voice or AI voices are not allowed in the YouTube for monetization. If you're having a voiceover in your channel, then make sure that the voice should be original, because computer generated voice not monetized by the YouTube. And the last tip number 7. Sub for sub is the worst thing on YouTube that you can do if you're trying to grow and monetize your channel. Sub for sub is basically where you're exchanging your subscriptions to one channel and in return they subscribe to you. Sub for sub is a bad for channel growth. You can get banned or you will end up ruining your channel if you don't get banned. The sub for sub is popular in YouTube comments, in Facebook groups, Telegram groups, etc. These are the groups where basically these sub for sub happens. Thank you so much for now. I hope you find this video very useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.